I've heard about that game. Did I even save? I didn't even save. Okay, we're gonna have to make a new one, I guess. This time it will be Joble. Joble? Cash money. Jiblu. Sure. Alright, let's try this one more time. How long? Much longer am I gonna stream? A little while longer, you know. Jobless. Boobless. Oh, it's raining too. It's even more comfy, huh? I'd say put the specialist part of the stream on the stream channel. Hopefully we can make this game grow more. I might do that, maybe, but I felt that stream was, like, not necessarily representative of what the game is. But, I mean, I can put it out there. It's just, I don't feel it was, like, a good individual stream to showcase it, but still, sure, I guess. Nah. Joblex. Guys, I was at this Asian import store yesterday, and I bought like 5 kilos of Korean, Taiwan, and like, oh damn it, and like Japanese noodles. I have so many exciting flavors to try out. Like, it's spare rib flavored. Some of them are like egg flavored. Like, it's just it's so much fun to like try these different noodles out. Anyway.